Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how much money I made on YouTube as a, you can say, small YouTuber up to 10,000 subscribers. The channel I'm going to show you is a channel with 7,000 subscribers right now. First, I want to show you the ad revenue, which is just so crazy. There's like $7,000 right there. Like, I'm not going to talk to you about, like, not going to show you right away. What I want to show you comparing to metric to views, because this is going to be astonish you. As a gaming channel, you can see it right here. So with 100,000 views, I generated in a day $500. Like, that's so crazy. But as you can see here, in this day, I also generated 100,000 views, but I only generated $90. That's because sometimes the ads are not good targeted. But if from 100,000 views were, I don't know, 20,000 programmers or people with money, and some marketing agencies target them, I got much more money, much more income. Or if the 80% people were from the US, that's also really important. So for example, on this day, most people could be from the Europe or from Germany, I don't know, so I didn't get such a huge revenue, but also $100 a day, so good. And you can see right here, the geography. The most ad revenue is coming from United States, 500,000 views also. So that's really cool. On this channel, my target audience is people from 25 to 40 men. So you get the best revenue. If this would be like, okay, you can see it here, in August I acquired 1,900,000 views. But if this would be a channel, a Fortnite channel, I would get, for this amount of views, I'm telling you right now, I would get like $1,000, $1,500. But right now, having a $7,000 a month. So my living expenses are about $600. I earned from 1 month from this channel, only this channel, I'm not talking about different channels I have, I earned about 7,000. It's just mind-blowing. And this channel, it took me like 4 months to create. I can't show you what channel is it, because if the people who know the channel would know how much money is made, I don't know how they would react, honestly. This is what I wanted to show you, and it's goddamn crazy how it's even possible. And yeah, I'm really excited when I'm going to acquire $10,000 per month, because right now with all the other channels I'm like 8,000 right now. You can make it also from ad revenue, that if you're gonna target good audience, if you're not going to make a Fortnite compilation channels, but if you're gonna make some valuable content that people are going to follow, you can make a really good full-time living from YouTube. Like, I would earn $7,000 in 7 months in my day job. Like, I'll be honest, in 7 months. So that's kind of it. I wanted to share with you. I'm going to continue making tutorials on this channel on Marcus Stone. But yep, if you wanna like have some tips or something, just write in the comments and I will give you advice on how you can grow or how many ads to put on your videos. But yeah, and this channel was monetized on the 21st of July, I think. Yep. The first days weren't that great, but that fired away. Yep. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye.